This episode is sponsored by Circle K. Get the most savings on every gallon when you fuel with the Circle K Fleet Card. Learn more at CircleKFleetCards.com.
Welcome to this week's Top Truck News Recap from Truck Chat. I'm Lauren Fletcher, Executive Editor of Work Truck Magazine, here to share a few highlights from the first week of January 2022. But before I get started, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single episode. General Motors announced the 2024 Silverado EV in both work truck and higher-end RST configurations. The truck has an expected GM estimated 400-mile range on a full charge for both models. The work truck model is expected to be released in spring 2023, and the RST version becoming available in fall of that year. Ford opened up the F-150 Lightning Fleet Order Bank on January 5th, with the retail order bank opening up the next day. Fleets looking to order an F-150 Lightning in the first wave must have entered their interest as a hand raiser with a valid FIN on Ford's website. This reservation system, which includes retail buyers, was closed on December 8th and capped at 200,000 units. Ford shared that additional reservation holders will be invited in phases to place their order over the next few months. A Ford spokesperson noted that production volume will be shared closer to launch, but they're targeting approximately 80,000 units for the 2023 model year and a run rate of about 150,000 units by mid-2023. Also this week, Lightning Motors announced the Lightning E-Chassis, an all-new rolling chassis purpose-built for commercial EV applications. The Lightning E-Chassis, developed with Metalsa, may be used for Class 4 and Class 5 commercial electric chassis cab, stripped chassis, and cutaway chassis configurations. The design accommodates different battery sizes and configurations, powertrain integrations, and wheelbases, allowing Lightning e-motors to support a wide variety of vocational applications and upfit partners. Continuing with electric news, GM's last-mile delivery company BrightDrop announced thousands of new van orders from two leading Fortune 500 companies on January 5th at the Consumer Electronics Show. Walmart has been added to BrightDrop's customer base, while FedEx expands its partnership with the EV van company. Walmart is reserving 5,000 of BrightDrop's EV600 and smaller EV410 electric delivery vans for its last-mile delivery network and to support its goal of operating a zero-emissions logistics fleet by 2040. FedEx has reserved priority production for 2,000 electric delivery vans over the next few years. This adds to FedEx's initial reservation of 500 BrightDrop EVs from last year. And Rivian announced that it will be expanding its manufacturing operations with a second U.S. plant in Georgia. A carbon-conscious campus is planned east of Atlanta in Morgan and Walton counties, which represents a $5 billion site development and manufacturing investment. The plant will eventually employ more than 7,500 workers. Once wrapped up, the facility will be able to produce up to 400,000 vehicles per year. Construction is expected to begin in summer of 2022. New York and Massachusetts are the latest states to adopt the Advanced Clean Trucks rule to require truck makers of vehicles greater than 8,500 pounds to sell an increasing number of clean, zero-emission vehicles. The states join New Jersey, Washington, Oregon, and California in adopting the regulation, which requires an increasing percentage of zero-emission truck sales starting with the model year 2025 and ramping up through model year 2035. California was the first to adopt the rule. And Goodyear has made significant progress toward its goal of a 100% sustainable material tire by 2030. The company released a demonstration tire with 70% sustainable material content. The 70% sustainable material tire includes 13 featured ingredients across 9 different tire components, including carbon black, soybean oil, silica, and polyester. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, better known simply as ASE, kicked off a year-long celebration of its growth as it celebrates its 50th anniversary this year. From an initial offering of 4 automobile tests in 1972, ASE now offers 57 tests and certifications from automobile and medium-heavy truck to transit and school bus, collision repair, parts, military, and others. Throughout the year, ASE will share historical information, conduct special programs, and showcase ASE-certified service professionals. Interested in knowing what chainsaws and trucks have in common? You'd think the answer would be not much, but for Sarah Carlson, truck ordering manager for Element Fleet Management, chainsaws have opened up a whole new avenue to connect with potential customers and maintain a strong work-life balance. This is just one of the episodes of our Truck Chat Faces of Fleet series, which helps you get to know all of the fascinating people in fleet. We all have a background, a past job, or a past or current hobby that has helped shape us into who we are today. Check out this video series for more interviews with some absolutely fascinating people. On the upcoming news side, stay tuned. The votes are in, and we're ramping up to announce the medium-duty truck of the year in March at this year's Work Truck Week in Indianapolis. The top 5 medium-duty truck models are announced on January 10th. Thanks for listening to this week's episode of Truck Chat. And remember, if you want more, head on over to worktruckonline.com to sign up for our newsletters, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to our podcasts, and follow us on your favorite social platform so you never miss a thing.